Hello all, welcome to Clap Technologies and welcome to this AI for Everyone series. So this is our day 1 video. This will be a simple video only, but it will give you some ideas about what is the reality currently in job market, right? So I hope you already seen our introduction video with our 6 video series. So this is the first video. So stay tuned and watch till end. Okay. There is lot of hype around AI. If you open the YouTube or if you open Google or anything, you will see lot of hype related to AI, right? So in this video, we will discuss about what is the reality of this AI. So what you hear everywhere online, learn AI and earn lakhs, use ChatGPT and make money, or learn prompt engineering and get 40 lakhs package or 50 lakhs package, like that, right? So the reality is people learn 20 tools but get no clarity on which role to pick. Okay, so if they learn randomly 20 tools or 100 tools or 10 tools, first they need to understand how those tools will be useful for their current role or maybe the future role which they want to apply, right? And students don't know which AI career path fits them. Like we have a lot of freshers nowadays, and students also actually exploring these AI related things. But everyone know how to use this ChatGPT and all at basic level. But everyone should understand how this AI will help in their career path. That is the important thing, right? So that clarity is not there at this moment, right? So there are little confusion like what is prompt engineering, who are going to do AI engineer, and who are the architects or solution architects for AI, something like that. There is some confusion between these 3 different roles also. So in our upcoming videos, we will get clarity about these things. Okay, so this is exactly we created this series actually, right? So the myth is learn one AI tool and become rich. So that is not possible at all. And AI alone itself creates income. That is also not possible. So if you learn 20 tools or 30 tools, if you don't use them properly in a good direction, it won't help you to earn money or it won't help you to get jobs, right? So knowing prompts is enough. If you know only prompts, that won't help you to get good income. So the reality is AI is powerful, that is for sure, but it is not a shortcut or it is not a magic to get lakhs of money. Okay, so real income needs skill and execution. So you should have at least one skill, and then you need to understand where this AI fits into your skill or in your role, and you need to execute that. You need to apply this AI concepts and features and whatever we learned in AI, that you need to execute or you need to apply to your particular role. So in that way, AI will help you and it will save a lot of time, to be frank, and it will help you in different ways in your job or in your day-to-day tasks, right? And the main domain knowledge is also very essential. That is also important. Okay, so AI plus skill plus domain knowledge plus real execution, that will help you to grow in your career. Only learning any tool, that won't be helpful. So that's why I designed this course. Course is designed for everyone, no matter about your background. So there is an AI career path for you. So because nowadays AI is not only for IT professionals, so we have different categories. Students and freshers confused about AI careers and where to start. So this series will give you some clarity. Okay, and developers, testers, they want to move into generative AI and AI engineering, so they can understand what they need to learn and how they can focus, right? So, and business analyst, project managers, scrum masters, they will understand how they can incorporate AI into their day-to-day tasks and all. And it will help you for architects, non-IT professionals and creators, freelancers, entrepreneurs, homemakers and retirees also. So we are nowadays everyone is using ChatGPT, right? But that is not the only thing in AI. So we will explore more things. So why this series is different? I think this I have already given you some overview in our introduction session. So it doesn't contain only theory. It is not just tool names. It is not like ChatGPT prompts and all. So what AI roles are currently available? So we will discuss what AI roles are currently available, what each role does day to day, and which tools are useful or used in real companies. What are the no-code tools are available, and what projects you should build. some scenarios, some real-time scenarios that will help you, right? And how to prepare your portfolio or your resume, okay? And how to use AI safely in real project, because security will be the main concern. If you expose all the data to the AI is kind of it will if it get access to everything, then you won't control AI. So you need to use AI safely in real projects. So that also we will discuss. And how to avoid fake courses or unnecessary tools. So first you understand what is your role, then what your day-to-day task, then tools related to your day-to-day task you should learn. That will be enough, at least for now, right? But the learning tools itself is not the main thing. So that is also I have already informed earlier, right? So only tools will not help, but you will understand how to use these existing AI tools in your day-to-day tasks. Then we need to understand how we are going to build that kind of AI tools by using code or by using no code tools, no code platforms and all. And we need to learn like what is AI agents and how we are going to implement agentic AI architecture. So we need to know all these things. So based on that, based on your role, you will explore in that way, right? So this is not a shortcut series, but it will give you some clarity. By end of this series, you will get some idea like, okay, I'm here currently, so I need to learn these things in future. So like that, it will give you some clarity, okay? Then as I told you earlier, this series is to give you some clarity. This is not a master class and this is not a deep classes, okay? So you will understand what is what, and AI concepts also I will discuss in next video in detail. So that will help you to understand different terminologies and different AI terms actually, what are there currently at this moment. And then you will get some idea like, okay, if I can learn AI, then I can apply to this role and I will get this opportunity, like that. Okay, some clarity you will get by end of this series. So once we completed this series, as I told you earlier, we will be planning deep dive master classes or workshops for each and every role. So in that master classes and workshops, you will get complete hands-on. Okay, in this series will give you the idea, okay, and the clarity. I hope you like this video, and this is a very short video. In our next video, we will be discussing about different AI terminologies available at least at this moment, right? So that will be a long video. So stay tuned. Thank you.